I am so bored, I need a project. That would be good. 16,000 projects with step-by-step plans. The world's largest database for woodworking projects.
Great project with clear instructions. I've got an enormous feeling of accomplishment and pride from making of my own bookshelves and side tables. Thank you, Ted.
Hey Ted and the rest of the team over at Ted's Woodworking. It's John here from the UK, and I can't thank you enough for the plans. I can build things now that I never thought possible for me to do and make them look good. If I had to boil it down to just one single moment, I think the catalyst that started my woodworking journey, it would be the time when I purchased Ted's collection of plans. All I can say is, if you have ever wanted to get into woodworking and didn't know where to start, this is the package to get. You'll find plans to almost any project that you can think of, which makes it very easy to get started.